I heard this quote that says, you show up for work almost every day, and at the end of the day, who shows up for you? Who invests in you? Who supports you? Who listens to you? Who admires your craft? And who gives you the love that you need? We spend so much time at work that sometimes I forget to invest in myself. Remember that work is not life, but work is a part of life. I am manifesting a life of financial freedom, and I don't want to be enslaved in what we define as wealth. What each person defines wealth and richness is subjective. Financial freedom is just not about monetary values. It's mostly mindset. I have to come back and invest in myself, reevaluate my life and what actually serves a purpose. To be truly free is knowing that you are enough. I always say, God doesn't give you a goodie bag to take in the afterlife. This is a reminder to remember to invest in yourself because no one can do it besides you.